have attempted to solve the practice problems before coming to this video? If so, kudos. If not, well, let's ride along. My score is a quarter of the pass mark. Lily is 3 years younger than Kakus. How old is Lily? Kakus is 4 times older than me. How old is Kakus? Bosse is X years old. How old will she be in the next 4 years? We are going to tackle the questions head on. The first question says, my score is a quarter of the pass mark. That makes my score the subject of the sentence. By subject, I mean the whole sentence is talking about my score. The verb is the linking verb, is. The predicate is the condition of the subject, in this case, my score. How much is it? It is a quarter of the pass mark, but the pass mark is not known, so it can be X. The pass mark can be X. Now is the time to write the expression, or in other words, to answer the question, what is my score? But before we do that, there's something I want you to know. Turning sentences into expressions require a bit of logic from your part. Nevertheless, there are a few laid down rules that, if followed carefully, can make the whole work easy. Here they are. If the outcome of the statement is suggestive of an increase, then the expression is expected to be an addition or multiplication operation. If, on the other hand, the outcome of the statement is suggesting a decrease, then the expression is expected to be a subtraction or division operation. The sentence says, my score is a quarter of the pass mark. If calculated, we expect my score to be less than the pass mark. That means it will decrease. So the expression will contain either a subtraction or division. Now the next big question is this: how do we decide if the operation should be subtraction or division? If the predicate decreases by a fraction after the question has been answered, the operation is division. If, on the other hand, the predicate does not decrease, but it happens that there is a decrease in external factors such as space or time, the operation is subtraction. Let's go back to the question. My score is a quarter of the pass mark. A quarter of the pass mark means the pass mark will decrease by a fraction when compared with my score. So it's division. That makes it x over 4. The expression is x over 4. Lily is 3 years younger than Kakus. How old is she? How old is she? The predicate is Kakus each, explaining the subject Lily. So we can say that the noun here is about Lily. She's the subject of the sentence. Linking verb is. The predicate is Kakus age, explaining the subject Lily. A comparison is made between Lily's age and Kakus age, which at the moment happens to be K. Kakus age is not known. Yet, they say he's 3 years younger than Kakus. Now, if Kakus h happens to be k, what will happen to k after the question has been answered? Will it increase or decrease? If Kaku's age is k and Lily is 3 years younger than him, we expect Lily's age to be less than k. That's a decrease. Is this subtraction or division? The decrease is not inclusive of Kaku's age. Rather, there is a decrease in external factor, which is time, 3 years. So it is subtraction. That means Lily's age will be x minus 3. In summary, writing expressions require you to do the following. Determine if the predicate, which is the condition of the subject of the sentence, will increase or decrease. In case of a decrease, determine if the decrease will be a fraction of the predicate or an external factor. If it is a fraction of the predicate, it's division. If it's a decrease in the external factor, such as space and time, then it's subtraction.